Welcome to our Setup to Succeed series for projects in Sage Intacct Construction. And this first video is going to be an overview of what we will cover during this series, and also to take a look at some of the out-of-the-box things that you're going to get if you purchase Sage Intacct Construction. So with Sage Intacct Construction, you're going to get access to the order entry and purchasing modules. And within those modules, Intacct is going to use item to tell the system which GL account to post to. So item in Intacct is going to be something that you may not be familiar with from your old accounting software, but it is required to function within purchasing and order entry. So there are certain items that come out of the box, as well as cost types and GL accounts. So if I look at my general ledger module and I go to my general ledger accounts, I'll see some of the out-of-the-box accounts that are going to come with Sage Intacct Construction subscription. So these cost of sales accounts are a good example of ones that you're going to get specifically for construction, your labor, sub, material, equipment, other, and overhead. Also some control accounts and different things like that. And then if we hop over to the projects module and we take a look at our standard cost type catalog, here are the cost types that come out of the box, and a lot of you will be familiar with using cost types. So equipment, labor, material, other, overhead, and sub are the ones that come out of the box, and they are linked to items within Intacct, and they're basically a mirror of each other. So our cost type name is here, then we have our item over here, they're linked to the GL accounts that are out of the box, basically once again a mirror, and they roll up to accumulation types, which are another mirror. And where possible, we do recommend that you use the out-of-the-box GL accounts, cost types, items. If you need more, obviously do go ahead and set those up. But there are going to be certain scenarios where people really don't want to change their, let's say, GL accounts because they have a structure in place, and that's fine. But if you can, where possible, we do recommend using the out-of-the-box GL accounts, cost types, and items, and then adding on to that. So within this series, we are going to take a look at the projects module, and we're going to take a look at your standard cost code catalog, standard cost types, which links to items within Intacct, and then setting up projects, setting up project contracts, and the different type of project contract billing that you can get out of the system. We'll also take a quick look at estimates and change management. So quite a lot to cover in this series, and in the next video we're going to take a look at your standard cost code catalog.